In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change thermostat on 2017 GMC Sierra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to change an old thermostat on a 2017 GMC Sierra. So, in order to replace the thermostat on any model year of this car, this will involve working with the vehicle's cooling system. So it's important to proceed with caution. And in this video, I'm going to give you a general guide, but you should always refer to your owner's service manual for precise instructions. First, always perform this on a cool engine. So make sure that you power it off completely and you can give it some minutes. This will prevent any sort of burn from hot coolant and other items. Coolant is toxic, so handle it carefully and dispose of it properly. Make sure that you have a drain pan nearby. Have the necessary tools such as sockets, wrenches, and a drain pan, and of course, the replacement thermostat ready. So first, place a drain pan under the radiator and you will be able to locate the particular place of the old thermostat. In there, carefully open the radiator drain plug, the padcock, to drain a portion of the coolant. You may need to remove the radiator cap to facilitate draining, but only do this when the engine is completely cool. The location can vary slightly, but it's typically where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. So make sure that you look and you will be able to find a piece that looks like this one here. Now, carefully remove the bolts that secure the thermostat housing. Once you remove all of the necessary bolts, you will be able to catch the residual coolant that is going to spill. So be prepared for that spill, and after you undo the bolts and get the coolant, you can remove the old thermostat. Inspect the housing for any corrosion or damage, clean the sealing surfaces of the housing, and then you can install the new thermostat. You can line it up using these holes here, and you must ensure that it is orientated correctly. Use a new gasket or O-ring if needed to ensure a proper seal, and you can reinstall the thermostat housing and tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Reinstall any components that you removed and remember to refill the cooling system. I hope I was able to help you on how to change thermostat on 2017 GMC Sierra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.